Good day, dear students. Let's talk about the implementation of learning management system technology. Today I'm going to talk about Moodle, which has been one of the forms of implementing the e-learning project within the framework of creating unified distance education environment for several years. Moodle is an acronym for Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment Site of the community of system developers, providers information on the ideology and technology of Moodle, and offers educators all the tools to organize quality online learning. The site contains the following sections: hosting, support, consulting, installation, integrations, customization, courseware, themes, training, certification, partners, jobs, development, headquarters, help desk, and feedback. Moodle is a distance learning environment for creating distance learning courses, a free open source learning management system licensed under the General Public License. The Moodle system implements the philosophy of pedagogy of social constructivism and ideas of constructionism, and is focused on organizing interaction between the teacher and students. Constructivism is a process in which people construct new knowledge for themselves by interacting with the world around them. In philosophy, constructivism is based on epistemological examining knowledge as such its structure, function, and development approaches, in which knowledge is perceived as a constructed interpretation of the universe. Social constructivism is a sociological and psychological theory that studies the process of social psychological construction of social reality and human activity. Social reality and social interaction of individuals are considered as a set of thoughts, ideas, and values, and are not reduced to material conditions. The emergence of social constructivism is associated with the name of the Soviet psychologist Vygotsky. Constructionism claims the learning is especially effective when the learner forms something for others in the learning process. This can be anything from making a statement of posting on the internet to complex works like a software package. Moodle is distributed free of charge as a software. Moodle is protected by copyright, but some rights are also available to users. They can copy, use, and modify the program code at their discretion in the event that they do not agree with the original product in some way. Share the code with others, but not modify or remove the original licenses and copyrights. Moodle has been translated into dozens of languages, including Russian, and used in more than 200 countries around the world. Moodle is an actively developing product. When designing a site in the Moodle system, special attention is paid to a number of issues. Promoting the pedagogy of social constructivism and constructionism, support for various approaches to learning, distance mixed full-time, support for various operating systems, creation of a simple and intuitive interface in a browser window for the convenience of users, ease of software installation, compatibility with the most widely used databases, the availability of descriptions of courses in form of content of the convenience of users, constructing and systematizing courses by category, ease of navigation and search for the desired course, ensuring the security of user data using modern antivirus program, authentication, encoding and decoding programs, the use of single built-in editor for text and image, HTML messages for the convenience of users. Moodle allows you to add and complement the following types of modules: Course elements, administrator reports, types of tasks, authentication, plugins, logs, course formats, reports on courses, fields of the database, plugins for subscription to courses, filters, assessment reports, grades export formats, grades import formats, portfolio, types of question tests, test input and export formats, test reports, file storage, types of resources, search plugins. And the third issue I would like to talk about today is Google Classroom. It's a free web service dedicated to education, which offers teachers, academics, students, and parents learning tools, blended learning. In principle, this platform makes it possible to create virtual classrooms that include a flexible and comfortable environment to optimize formal education, offering the new tools and techniques to teachers and students of any education institutions. Google Classroom was launched by the American company Google in August 2014. However, it wasn't until 2017 that this service was available to Google users, people with Gmail accounts in particular. He is actually available in major smart device app stores, and it's compatible with most internet browsers on the market. This web service is the basis of Google Apps for Education site, a condition that allows you to use several tools developed by Google, such as Google Drive to store and view files in the cloud, Google Docs, Sheets, Google Slides for real-time activities, Gmail for communication and sending mission, and Google Calendar to carry out work schedule and set delivery dates. Why is to use Google Classroom? Google Classroom is a platform dedicated to optimizing formal education through blended learning tools, which are used by teachers to create virtual classrooms where they can share files, educational text, video, image, audio with their students. However, this software includes a wide range of users, among which we highlight. Perform virtual assessments. In the virtual environment of Google Classroom, teachers and students have almost unlimited information storage at their disposal, provided by Google Drive. Teachers can upload assessment files to the cloud, which students can access and edit. All connected students will be able to work on the same file from different devices, able to collaborate or work individually as defined by the assessment. The teacher will be able to view the progress of the assessment as well as make comments or correction in real time. And once these have been deleted for the grading, they can no longer be edited. Let's consider Google Classroom advantages. It is easy to use educational platform that can be easily configured by teachers. In addition, it has an activity center that allows users to directly share information. It saves time, paper and printing, syncing to the virtual homework teachers give their students. It was supported by Google Drive, which provides massive storage and tools like Google Docs, Sheets, Google Slides to perform different activities and reviews and quickly share them among participants, improving feedback. Students have the possibility of living in an educational environment different from the traditional one, which is limited to the physical space of the education institution's facilities. In addition, they will develop new attitude to work correctly and support each other. It allows administrators of education institutions and parents or guardians of students to monitor and to be aware of learning progress. It's an educational service that offers blended learning tools for free. And the third issue I would like to talk about is Google Sites, which is free and easy to use website building tool, application, structured wiki for creating personal and group websites for personal and corporate purposes. Let's talk about features of Google Sites. It's easily create a website, or no HTML programming knowledge required. Choose page types: web page, announcement, web cabinet, lists, dashboards, and start pages. Create subpages to keep your content organized. Privacy setting to control who sees your site. Add collaborators to your sites. Search across your Google Sites content with Google Search technology. The biggest advantages to using Google Sites is integration with other Google services mentioned above. With a simple click, you can add a calendar, map, document, slideshow, and so on. And it's important to mention about Google Site advantages. It's free, fast and easy to edit, no programming database skills required, ideal for new buyer who wants to build a website for the first time, no software installation required, integrate with Google Apps, Creator can access tools anywhere, Creator has full control on page access and permission, function as a basic project manager.